Let me introduce you to Plane. This is a text-based email client that I built, which is powered by an AI agent that acts as your gatekeeper for your email inbox. Instead of trying to click through complicated inbox zero filters and rules, you can just have an intelligent AI agent that reads every email for you and gives you a digest, gives you the gist of it, so you can decide if you want to dig deeper. This is text-based because I don't think that we need complicated interfaces. The best interface is no interface. Plane has two modes, plain mode and train mode. When you're in plain mode, you see a really simplistic breakdown of all your emails. This can be coming from any email client. It doesn't really matter which client we're looking at. And what happens is that when an email hits your plain inbox, it first gets processed by an LLM, and it creates this one sentence summary that gives you a really good overview. So when you open up, you're like, do I even want to see this? Probably not. I'm just going to delete. Yeah, I want to see this. I hit enter so I can read the actual message. And I'm going to reply, hey, Bruce, thanks for the reminder. See you tomorrow. Escape, enter. It sends the email and it also archives or deletes the email from the list because you're done. You have a new message from me. I don't care. Good morning. There are top stories in the Gotham City. Okay, I can delete this because I just needed to read it. As you can see, I can go through these, and what I'm going to see is a really quick 1 second decision. Do I want to read it? Yes or no? Can I delete it, or do I need to read it? Because when you open your inbox, there are only two decisions you need to make. One, can I ignore this safely? And two, if not, is it asking me to do something, or is it asking me to say something? And if I need to say something, that's probably a lot more urgent. So I can get rid of this really quickly. And then we can build on how to do things as well. This is the plain mode. I can reply to things, I can delete things, and I can just get rid of the whole list to achieve inbox zero. But there is a second mode, which is train. So I just press T, and this is the part where I think most email clients miss the mark because they put a lot of work on the user. I'm just looking at this and I'm like, do I want to actually see these messages, or do I want to train the AI agent to start ignoring these? So if I want to see less of these, I just push the minus button. And if I want to see more of this, I'm just going to push the plus button and enter. I don't really care about that. Enter. Okay, that's empty, so I don't care about that. Yeah, I always want to know about Bruce Wayne's dinner preparation. Okay, reminders maybe. So I just go through this, right? And it's pretty quick because you don't have to make complicated decisions. You just need to decide, do you want to see more of this or less of this? If I'm spending time with emails, do I want to spend more time with these kinds of emails, or do I want to ignore these emails? And you can go through hundreds of emails pretty quickly, which means that in a week or so, you can really quickly go through enough emails to train a model. And let me show you what happens when you run out of emails. Training queued. What that means is that now we've just created this is basically a reinforcement learning by human feedback, right? Because we just assigned a bunch of numerical values in terms of how relevant they are to us in 2 minutes to a bunch of text. And now I can send this to a machine learning algorithm to create clusters of our emails, and then start showing a newly clustered list of emails in my inbox, which means that over time, it will start showing me less and less emails as the scores of these emails are being reused and being fine-tuned. Every email starts with a 500 points, and then you start fine-tuning them over time. So I just press enter, and now I'm back to plain mode, and that's really it. All you need to do is just go through your emails and train on your inbound emails, train the model on your inbound emails, and pretty quickly, in a week or so, the agent learns how you actually want to do more with less email. Do you guys want me to build this like fully? If you do, like if enough people tells me that I should build this, I'm going to build the app. All right. Take care.